Today, I'll show you how to create a tag on GitHub. Whether you're working on a new feature or just want to mark an important milestone in your project, creating a tag is a simple yet powerful way to keep your repository organized. Let's dive in and walk through each step to get your tag up and running. First, navigate to the main page of your repository on github.com. This is your project's home base where you can see all your files, commits, and branches. Once you're there, look over to the right-hand sidebar menu. You'll find a variety of options, but the one you're looking for is the Releases header link. If you haven't created any releases yet, you might see an option to create a new release. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you should see a button at the top right that says Draft a New Release. Click on this button to start the process of tagging your code. This will bring you to a new page where you'll be able to set up your release details. Next, focus on the Choose a Tag drop-down button. When you click on it, it allows you to either select an existing tag or create a new one. Since we're creating a new tag, you'll want to type in your desired tag name exactly as you want it to appear. For instance, if you're naming it version 1.1.0, you would type v11. Be sure to get the format exactly right because this tag will be a permanent marker in your repository's history. Directly below the text input, you'll see a blue item pop up that says Create New Tag, followed by your tag name, in this case v1, one on Publish. Click on this blue item to confirm the creation of your new tag. Now it's time to select the branch that you want to tag. Usually this will be the main branch, but it might differ depending on your workflow. The branch you select should contain the exact snapshot of code you want to freeze under this tag. Make sure you choose the correct branch to avoid any confusion later on. With your tag and branch selected, it's time to fill out the release details. Give your release a clear, descriptive title that reflects the changes or updates included. In the description text field, you can write a quick summary of the updates. If you're not sure what to include, you can click on Generate Release Notes. GitHub will automatically draft a list of merged pull requests for you, which can be really helpful in summarizing the development work that has gone into this release. Finally, once you've reviewed all your information and you're satisfied with how everything looks, scroll down to the bottom of the page. You'll see a green Publish Release button. Clicking this will finalize your tag and release, making it live for anyone who views your repository. And there you have it. You've successfully created a GitHub tag, marking a specific point in your project's timeline. This process not only helps in keeping your work organized, but also assists others in understanding your project's progress and development history. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.